Hello friends, today we will discuss the difference between a grant and a loan. Grant is non-repayable funds. It is essentially free money tailored for a specific purpose, whether for education or research or business projects. It should be spent on that only. Whereas loan is a borrowed money that must be paid back typically with interest over a fixed schedule. The purpose of grant is usually tied to a specific goals like research, hiring, or supporting underrepresented groups. Recipients must often submit progress or expense reports. On the other side, loans generally are more flexible and can be used for a wide range of needs from capital purchases like equipment, vehicles to working capital. Grants eligibility and availability is highly competitive, available in limited amounts, and typically require specific eligibility like financial need, industry demographics, etc. Whereas loans are more widely available from banks, credit unions, and government programs. Eligibility is usually based on credit score, business incorporation, or financial history. Grants have lower risk, no debt or collateral required, but misuse or failure to meet reporting obligations may require repayment. Whereas loans carry financial risk. Borrowers are responsible for principal, interest, and possibly collateral. Repayment defaults can lead to credit damage or asset seizure. Then question arises, why choose one over other? Situation grants, no repayment needed, truly free money if obligations met, must be repaid with interest. Loans, where loans are considered, it must be repaid with interest. Grants are for specific project funding, good for targeted goals like research and development training, whereas loans have fewer restrictions but broader uses. Grants have low risk, no debt. Loans carries credit and collateral risks. Grants are highly competitive and slow disbursements. Loans are generally faster and more accessible. Amount needed for grants, loans often limited amounts. Grants potentially larger financing based on credit. Grants are ideal when we have a well-defined eligible project and want funding. We won't have to repay, though they are competitive. Loans are better when flexibility or larger funds are needed and we are prepared to repay with interest. Examples, education. We apply for a grant like Pell Grant that we don't repay. Any loan we take, federal or private, must be paid back after graduation with interest. In the case of loan. Business, we might secure small business grant for a specific purpose like innovation or hiring. Otherwise, we have to use a business loan to cover expenses like equipment or operations.